How to convert airtime to cash in Nigeria is what we are going to discuss in this video, the best rate ever. So before we move on, please give this video a like. I really appreciate that. So if you are like us who make more than 5,000 airtime every single month, or you just want to convert airtime to cash, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you step by step. If you are new to Ronaldo business, I create videos on how you can make money online, how to get free stuff online. So if you want to be getting more updates, then subscribe below and turn on the bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we upload new videos. So let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to be showing you one application and also one website. So the first application has the best rate ever, but that can only help you to convert your airtime to cash. While the second website I'm going to show you, which you can use to convert all other network airtime to cash. So the app is called PalmPay. So this is the app. So if you don't have an account with PalmPay yet, then use the link in the description box below to sign up and you're going to get airtime if you sign up with that link. So just tap on the link, it will take you directly to your Chrome, enter your phone number and go over to your Play Store and download this app called PalmPay and register with the same phone number you input on your Chrome link. So this is the app right here. So if you've already registered right now and you already have an account, let's just go on and open the application. So let me just locate PalmPay right here. So this is the particular application. So it's an app using transaction. You can send 10k kindly to pay your bills, and you can also buy airtime from the application. So now this is the application interface. You can see that you'll be able to see what you charge to cash. So I converted that night airtime to cash just today. So now this is the dashboard. So right here you can see the service section. You can see recharge cash is the number 1 on the list. So just tap on recharge to cash. So input your number, and I've said it before that you can only convert MTN airtime to cash, only MTN right now. So this will be available later. All of that will be available later. It's currently available for only MTN users. So now just click on go and the message will be sent like a code. It will be sent to your phone number. So it is because I've already used this app to do a lot of transaction, so that is why it's not asking me for any code. So if you are the one, it's going to ask you to input a code. They're going to send you an OTP, so you can see you can convert from as little as 100 naira, and so just tap on the 100 naira or any amount you want to convert, and you can see that it's showing my balance right here. So if you register, it's going to tell you to register a PIN because you don't have a PIN as a user. Make sure you set your transfer PIN. It's going to ask you where registering for this recharge to cash. So just set the transaction. It will take you directly to your phone dialer. So just input your PIN at the last section of the code and just register a new PIN. So let me convert airtime to cash, and you can see that I'm going to be receiving 176 naira. So the transaction fee is just 12%. So it is 12%. Just click on sell, and I'm going to input my PIN, which I've told you to create the other time. So just input your PIN right here and click on confirm. So you're going to see it's going to be successful. I converted 208 airtime to cash. So you can see that at that times that it was successful. So just click on complete and boom, you can see that my balance has increased right now. Then you can withdraw this tweet into your bank account, right? So now let me show you the website which you can use to convert all other networks at airtime to cash. So it's a website, one of the best websites you can use. For the second website, which you can use to convert all other networks to cash, then check the description box below and you're going to see the second link. So the second link is the particular website. So just go over to the website, make sure you register with that link, because if you register with that link, the two of us we're going to get some bonus if you transact. So if you click on that link, it's going to bring you right here. So you can see your first name, enter your legacy name, your email address, and just complete all this process and register your own account. So I already have an account. Let me just go on and log into my account. So I'll just log into my account and boom, you can see that you can also buy cheap MTN data on this website. So if you want to convert airtime to cash, just right click on the menu button at top right here and just go over to the airtime section. You're going to see airtime to cash. So just tap on the airtime to cash and you can see airtime to cash conversion is not as difficult. So you can see that right here. So you can see in order to serve you better, all Airtime and Glow airtime conversion are done to our support agents. So in order to convert Airtime and Glow airtime to cash, we have to contact them on WhatsApp. So they are going to walk you through the steps on how you can convert your Airtel and Glow airtime to cash. So and also if you have any questions, don't forget to ask me in the comment section below. So to message them on WhatsApp, just tap on this WhatsApp button right here. You can see WhatsApp right here, just tap on WhatsApp. So if I type in an empty number right here, you're going to see that it's going to go through. So you can see empty and they're going to go through, and you can, if you scroll down, you're going to see their fee right here. You can see MTN is 81%, so PalmPay is far better. You can see Glo is 60%, Airtime is 60%, this is 61%. So that is how you convert airtime to cash. And note that this website is very legit. I've been using them since 5 months ago, so don't panic. So just message them on WhatsApp and they are going to walk you through on how you can transfer Airtel and Glo. So I hope you'll find this video helpful. So if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon below for more amazing videos like this from Miladel Business. And also comment below if you find this video helpful. So thanks for watching and bye for now.